So let us understand the interface of Thunderbit. So Thunderbit is a Chrome extension. That is, it is supported in Chromium-based browsers. And as you install it, you can go ahead and access it out like this. So over here, Thunderbit is on the right hand side. So if I were to pull this out, you can see the interface right here in more detail. So you can see the current tab, which is open right here. So if I were to go ahead and open another tab, you can see that it opens up another tab right here. So it detects the tab that is open. And then over here, you can see that you have an option to customize out your web scraper or schedule out the task as well as needed. If you were to click on view all templates, then you'll be able to view different templates right here from over here. And then this basically is the home page. Over here on the top, you see the notification right here. And then you get the AI web scraper option right here on the second page. So you can see the home page right here. Then you got the scraper page, and you can go ahead and add in URLs or files and images right here as well. Apart from that, you can even go ahead and schedule out tasks right here in certain times. So you can manage it out from here. And apart from that, you can see that there are various options. So you can minimize or maximize it out. And then you can go for email extractor right here. Or you can go for phone number extractor, which extracts out the phone number from the page. And then you got the image extractor right here. So whatever image you have, you'll see it right here. So without even actually doing anything, you can see that everything is here. It basically goes ahead and scrapes out the content for you. Over here, whatever you have done, like history, you will see it right here on the history section. Then if you want to refer a friend, you can go ahead and refer it from here. Then you can request paid scraping service as well. If you want to go ahead and then request out a paid scraping service, you can see a video tutorial of it as well and access out the support from over here. And then you can access out the settings right here for your account from over here, and you can see all of it right here, just like this. And this is basically the interface right here of the Thunderbit interface right here. And throughout this tutorial series, we're going to go ahead and explore the various features to go ahead and scrape off the data as we want from different websites, like for example e-commerce, news articles right here, and so forth as needed. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe